Bonjour, Anine. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Kathy Chavers, Tribal Chair, with our daily update at 3:30 or whenever it gets put on the website. Today we had our EOC meeting at 8:30 with our emergency preparedness people, and as you know, there are changes happening throughout every hour, every day, every week regarding this COVID-19. This morning it was discussed with the medical staff and our community health program regarding the use of masks. And our staff, it's not a recommendation from the Minnesota Department of Health or other health organizations, but our health staff and physicians here feel that we should be wearing masks for our staff that are going to be out in the public. And so what we will be implementing is a policy or a mask to be worn by staff when in contact with people outside the government building, contact with the public. What this means is that the clinic will not be providing masks. We are asking for volunteers to help make cloth masks. We have ordered material and supplies to do that. Other reservations have already implemented this, and community members are helping out by making masks for workers. And so once we get the masks made, I believe they're to be washed and cleaned every day once you're done wearing them for the day, and then you put a new one on tomorrow. But we are recommending masks for all government employees that have contact with the public. Anyone interested in volunteering to help make these masks, we'd like you to call the Vermilion Social Center at 218-753-4542 and leave your name and contact number, or call the Net Lake Government Center at 218-757-3261 and leave your name or number for contact. We would appreciate your help. Also, we are looking at implementing and further finalizing policies for employees with regards to using leave or emergency leave or other situations that arise with this COVID-19 situation. We are also, today was the last day we had put for the closure of Fortune Bay Resort Casino. We have reassessed the situation, and we are going to have the casino and resort remain closed until April 17th, at which time we'll reassess it at that time again. We had a call with the Minnesota Inn and Gaming Association today at 1:30, and a majority of the call was regarding the distribution funding for the $8 billion from the Department of Treasury and the CARES Act. And so the tribes are trying to come to a consensus within Minnesota as to how we feel those funds should be distributed. So a lot of discussion was on that, but no final decision made. Our call concerning that is at 1 o'clock tomorrow with the BIA and Department of Treasury. Also, let's see, our clinic staff are looking at, the medical clinic is looking at virtual visits, which means that you would be able to have a visit not on site but through internet. And so right now they will be testing with staff tomorrow regarding conducting virtual visits, so hopefully we'll have more news on that for you tomorrow afternoon to see if our clinic will be able to implement then virtual visits where you see your provider not in the office but within your home actually. We do have a call tomorrow, the call with the governor, lieutenant governor, and the federal people is at 4:30 today. The Department of Human Services is not able to attend today due to scheduling conflicts, so that call will be at 3:30 tomorrow with Commissioner Harpstead from the Department of Human Services regarding billing procedures, telehealth, and other issues that some of the Health and Human Services staff for the tribes are having with regards to this COVID-19 pandemic that we've had to deal with changing of programs and services due to this, with having limited contact with people. And what I'd like to say is that we are preparing for the virus arriving here eventually. We continue to closely monitor the situation and take action based on the best information that we have that's available. To protect our community, we may need to make difficult decisions in the coming days. We ask for your patience and understanding. We will make the most informed decisions possible to protect our members, employees, and staff within the front lines, like our C-store and Y-store staff. This is a situation that changes daily, if not hourly. As new developments begin to happen, we will continue to communicate to ensure tribal members and tribal staff are informed, and please know that we are making decisions based on recommendations of health officials while balancing our responsibility to both serve our community and protect our community, including those most vulnerable to this virus. Again, like I said, it's changing, and we're trying to do the best that we can with what we've got. And we want you to stay safe and keep our community safe. So please, social distancing, limit people coming from outside the red zone to your homes to visit. And please, again, stay safe and be healthy. Miigwech.